Yo, made it to Vegas, and I didn't book a hotel for tonight, for Saturday night, because, well, I booked the cheaper one, or I got the cheaper price at Sahara for Sunday through Tuesday, so we needed a hotel today, and this was one of the cheapest you could get. It's the Elis Island Casino and Brewery. Whoa, brewery? I can probably find drinks. Nah, I don't feel like going out there. But yeah, let's do a hotel tour. Let's go. So first thing first is when you walk in, the bathroom is here. It is a small. It's a cozy bathroom with the bath, shower. Everything looks clean. It looks pretty much renovated and whatnot. So toilet looks fine. It's not too small. And then you got the sink outside. They save space, so they put the sink outside. You got a mirror to do your makeup and stuff, whatever. Light switch here. There's the door, so when you go from here, you see mirror, and then mirror, and then let's see, infinity. Never mind. Some towels. What's that? Oh, tissue paper. And then when you get in, you have to turn on that light, and then you get 2 queen beds. They do have one that's, I think, a king size bed or whatever for couples. There's usually a couple that comes there because we walked in and we saw people were getting married and stuff. So you get the table, you get a TV. Keep walking. Like I said, 2 queen beds. You get an outlet right there. Alarm, just like any other hotel. No Bible. At least I don't see one. TV remote, refrigerator. The safe. I would have probably put some safe in the closet. I bought myself a queen, air mattress, but it barely fits on here, or in here. And yeah, the window looks out to the front. Got a little couch right here. And that is pretty much for the tour. So yeah, this is just for tonight. I'm gonna sleep because I did all the driving actually. We stopped at Albuquerque, New Mexico at a Red Roof Inn, which was kind of sketchy. I had to sleep on the floor, so I didn't really get a 8 hours sleep. It's probably 3 hours at the most because I couldn't sleep. I was hopped up on energy drink, and I'm hopped up on energy drink right now, so it is what it is. But we're in Vegas for till Tuesday, and then we're heading to California, to Long Beach, Cambodian town, and to show my mom and aunt. They've never had a vacation like this throughout the years, so yeah, doing something for the family. So it is what it is. But yeah, that's the hotel tour. That's what you get.